If you've lost access to your Telegram account and you do not have your email or phone number, don't panic just yet. In this video, I'll show you the 2 best recovery steps you can try right away and how to improve your chances of getting back into your account as safely as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's get into it. First, check whether you are still logged in on any other device. This is the fastest and most important thing to try. Open Telegram on a computer, tablet, or another phone where you may still be signed in. If you have access to an active session, you may be able to link a new device before you get locked out completely. On Telegram web or Telegram desktop, look for the login by QR code option. If you are still signed in somewhere else, open the Telegram app on that device and use the QR scanner to link a new session. This can sometimes give you access again without needing your lost phone number right away. Make sure the device that is already logged in stays connected to the internet while you do this, because if the session expires or gets logged out, recovery becomes much harder. If you find that you are still signed in, immediately check your account settings, confirm your username, and secure your profile. If you can, add a current phone number and update your recovery options so this does not happen again. Now, if you are not logged in anywhere, your next step is to contact Telegram support directly. Go to the official Telegram support page at telegram.org/support and submit a formal request. In your message, explain your situation clearly and provide as much ownership evidence as possible. Include your old username, the approximate date your account was created, the phone number you used if you remember it, and any other details that can help prove the account belongs to you. Keep your request polite, specific, and concise. The more accurate the information, the better the chance they can review your case. Be careful not to use random third-party recovery services because most of them cannot actually restore Telegram access and may put your data at risk. Always use official Telegram links only. Also remember that account recovery can take time, so check your email or any reply from Telegram support regularly after submitting the request. If you are lucky enough to still have one active session, secure that access first because it can be the difference between recovering your account and losing it completely. So to recap, your first move is to check for any logged in Telegram device and use the QR code login option. And your second move is to contact Telegram support through the official support page with proof of ownership. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.